The 7 motivators are the engine of human behavior. They are the single greatest predictor of employee happiness and burnout. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to align internal motivation with job function to stop turnover before it starts. Most founders hire blindly. You screen for skills, but you ignore the internal engine. If a motivator, say an artistic need, is placed in a high routine role like data entry, you have a recipe for immediate burnout and low performance. You've hired a potential liability, not an asset. This is the Talent.IQ deep dive into the 7 motivators. These are the non-negotiable needs that drive a person: order, artistic, social, economic, altruistic, knowledge, and principles. The key is mismatch. If the role doesn't allow the expression of a high motivator, the employee will feel miserable, regardless of their pay or skill. This mismatch shows up instantly on a low score on the team alignment scorecard. How do you apply this? For a sales role, you must score the economic motivator highly. For an R&D role, knowledge must be high. You must align the role's needs with the candidate's internal engine to ensure every hire is a joyful executor. If you want to stop guessing about your team's happiness and start building a high-performing team that executes without your input, download the free Founders Delegation Roadmap. It explains the system needed to delegate with confidence. Click the link below to get your roadmap now.